On the vast green meadow, two hunting dogs with sharp eyes spotted a hare hopping swiftly through the low bushes. They dashed toward their prey with powerful and determined strides, their barking echoing and breaking the serene silence. The hare, driven by its survival instincts, hurriedly changed directions, trying to escape the relentless chase. However, the dog's persistence and perfect coordination gradually closed the gap, their leaps almost touching the hare's tail. Finally, with a precise lunge, they captured their prey, bringing an intense hunt in the wild to an end.